In many parts of the world, blue skies are a rarity. Instead, cities are covered in smog because of the pollution in the air that comes from factories and cars. Almost 90% of people living in the world's cities are being exposed to dangerous levels of air pollution. It became really hard for a person to live in Dhaka. According to a report on outdoor air quality from the World Health Organization, air quality of Bangladesh is the worst in the world. The country has ranked at the top of the worst polluted countries since 2018, and this result shows that the situation did not improve in recent years. Bangladesh's PM2.5 air pollution levels reached an average of 86 micrograms per cubic meter in 2019, 102 micrograms in 2021, and 160 micrograms in 2022. That pollution level is almost 15 times the safe limit. The most polluted air in Bangladesh was found in the capital of Dhaka. A jigsaw of evidence has emerged over the years that brings out the seriousness of the public health risk. A World Bank study shows air pollution kills 15,000 Bangladeshis each year. Bangladesh could save between $200 million and $800 million per year, about 0.7 to 3.0% of its gross national product, if air pollution in the country's 4 major cities was reduced. With such high pollution levels, many may wonder where Dhaka and Bangladesh's pollution actually comes from. There are approximately 2,000 traditional brick kilns in and around Dhaka, and about 5,200 more spread all around the country. These brick kilns burn coal to create bricks for Bangladesh's booming construction industry. They are large contributors to air pollution in Dhaka, mainly due to their inefficient design. The burning process releases PM2.5 and other pollutants into the surrounding environment, which are extremely harmful to our health. As a river delta, the majority of Bangladesh's landmass is made of sediment and sand. These become a source of pollution because it's easy to get kicked up into the air. Extensive unplanned residential development and large projects to build bridges, highways, and mass rapid transit create large amounts of resuspended dust. With the increased rate of urbanization in the country, the number of vehicles is also increasing rapidly and contributing to more and more air pollution. Moreover, overloaded, poorly maintained, and very old trucks and minibuses are also plying the city streets, emitting smokes and gases. Diesel vehicles emit black smoke, which contain unburned fine carbon particles. With the rise in the number of concentrated industrial areas within metropolitan cities, their reliance on mechanical transportation system is greater than ever. It has been pointed out repeatedly by scientists that domestic energy consumptions for the populations living in Bangladeshi rural areas depends on biofuels which emit harmful smoke. These emissions from common fuels like wood and cow dung are mostly composed of fine particles which cause life-threatening diseases. What is worse, it is the vulnerable and poorer section of society who are being exposed to the risk the most. To mitigate this risk, the reduction of PM2.5 through filtration of emissions and electrification with renewable energy must occur. There should be a rapid action to decrease the usage of materials which are causing the air pollution. Global collaboration and funding must be allocated through an international policy framework. The G20 is a high-level policy meeting which discussed challenges and measures related to international financial and socio-economic issues, where issues such as PM 2.5 can be mitigated through collaboration. Now, the government of Bangladesh is making some progress against the worst polluters with a high court order forcing the closure of 231 illegal tanneries. But the pollution is still happening. To prevent air pollution, the Department of Environment should conduct regular mobile courts and conduct activities on the basis of a specific plan to alleviate the suffering of the people and ensure regular monitoring. Concentrated efforts of the government and citizens are now required to decrease air pollution to permissible levels. A definite small way to contribute to less air pollution is to use public transport because it provides less gas and electricity, and even carpools contribute to it. The use of public transport, in addition to low fuel and gas emissions, will help to earn cash. Besides, cycling is the best way to reduce air pollution. Reduce your electricity usage by turning off the light when you leave room. Buy second-hand, existing items don't cause any new emission. It is safer to use paper bags instead of plastic bags since they decompose quickly and are recyclable. And we should encourage using fans instead of air conditioner. Also, the government of Bangladesh should concentrate on afforestation. Air pollution is causing multifarious effects on the health of children and adults in Bangladesh. We need to work together to prevent air pollution in Bangladesh by making efforts personally, socially, and legally. To To fight against air pollution, it is essential to stay aware of its impacts and make others aware of this issue. Individuals and organizations responsible for air pollution should be punished.